Welcome to Techleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive image on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first just open up your Chrome browser and then click on this menu icon, then open up Photos. After open the Google Photos, just open any image that you want to archive. Suppose if I select the image and then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then click on archive option. And it's done. Just click on done and then go back, and you can see the image has been moved to archived successfully. Also, if you want to select multiple photos, just select it. You have to just click on this corner and then click on three dots, then click on archive again, and the images has been archived successfully. Now if you want to find your archived photos, you have to just put the cursor here and then scroll down, and under the collections option you can find archived. Just click here and that's it. And that is how you can archive image on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.